Hello, my name is Jason. Responsible for the Vissonic company international sale. Here I introduce my conference system. This is a conference microphone based on Wi-Fi conference. Here, all the interface is touch screen, and can show the time, day, signal level, battery level. It's complete Wi-Fi. One microphone, it can keep speed 24 hours. The battery life is 24 hours. And another product, this one is our new product, is touch screen here. Full of touch screen. We can add many functions like interpretation, voting, speaking, or the conference waiting list also can let here. Also the company logo. This is a wire system. It will be available in 2020. Our website is vissonic.com. More detail you can visit our website.